with NanoBanana Pro 2.
You can be a movie director.
So you can not only fly jets like this,
Or jump into hilarious action scenes like this.
But you can also do incredibly involved things like create architectural drawings.
And with NanoBanana Pro 2, you can even design stunning infographics and visuals.
I want to thank NanoBanana Pro.
Woo! NanoBanana 2 Pro. And it's an incredibly fun tool to play with. And here I am within Dzine, one of my favorite platforms. On the screen, one of the images I created within NanoBanana Pro. And obviously it was called NanoBanana 2 before. Time to split. So inside of Dzine, you can play with it within things like chat editor here, where you can have an image and then you can ask it to do anything at all here. Let's create this as a totally different movie, the same characters, doing a sky dive called No Time to Smash. Here is our poster with the same characters for No Time to Smash. Absolutely incredible. Same characters jumping through the air. So good, so good. So that's how you could do image edits. So one of the incredible things you can do within NanoBanana Pro is you can take a picture like this. I took this picture of Victoria Falls. I didn't personally take it, I took it from the internet, and it's an aerial view of Victoria Falls here. You've got Zimbabwe on one side, Zambia on the other side. I've been here quite a few times. Incredible, one of the most amazing places on the earth. And I just said to NanoBanana Pro, add lots of facts about Victoria Falls and make this an information poster. And this is the output that it gave me. As you can see now, it's put all of these facts on the screen here. Victoria Falls, the smoke that thunders, and the name in their own language tells you all the details, like the width of the curtain of water here, which is obviously different at different times of year because whether it's in flood or not in flood. And then about the bridge, which was built in 1905, which links Zambia and Zimbabwe, that it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Rainforest microclimate, that you get elephants, hippos, crocodiles there. And it was discovered, at least by the Western world, by David Livingstone in 1855, formed by a fault line in basalt and Zambezi River that is coming over Victoria Falls is the fourth longest river in Africa. Incredible, absolutely incredible. So I'm just going to ask it to create an infographic here explaining the anatomy of scientific names for A-level students for the different parts of the face. Absolutely incredible. Here we are, the image of just myself, and now it's an A-level science, facial anatomy, proper names and structures, telling you about the different parts here. So the frontal bone, the superciliary arch, the nasal bone, I don't know the names of all these things because I did not study this at A-level at all. But there you go, all the proper names of the different parts of the face that are visible in this picture. Amazing. So, what else can NanoBanana Pro do? When you come into Dzine, the first place you're going to come if you want to create an image is go to text to image here, and in here you can choose all of your different text to image tools, and we've got NanoBanana Pro here along with Midjourney, Seedream, all of the rest of them. So we'll choose NanoBanana Pro, which is NanoBanana 2, and we're just going to create something absolutely awesome here. So here we are, just going to create this simple one here. That's without prompt improver. I'm going to add prompt improver here. You've got the choice here of 16:9, 2K or 4K. We'll just go with 2K for now. And that's just generating away right now. So one way is you can create images just through text prompt using NanoBanana Pro. 2, you've got all your different choices of aspect ratio, and you've got a choice of 1K, 2K or 4K. And of course 2K and 4K are the new and improved outputs that you now have with NanoBanana Pro. So one quick experiment I want to try here is I've got the prices here for Dzine on the screen, and I want to try and see if NanoBanana Pro can create us an infographic. First attempt, it's laid it out exactly the same, just with a different color background. And the second attempt here, it's given us a simpler version here with less information on it, which is quite interesting. It looks right to me at a quick glance. So I've said there's a 50% discount currently, which that is. The code is on the website. Oh, and here we have the 50% discount, which obviously on free. Wow, incredible how it's just showing the 50% discount here as well, just with a quick edit. Here we have our NanoBanana images. We've got this one here, which NanoBanana Pro's created, and another one here. And of course, we could bring these to life just by going AI video over here and then clicking on to the choice of model. And we've got the choice of like Sora 2 Pro or Google VO3 Fast and all those things. Let's just use Sora 2 Pro and say, create a short advert for a holiday in the sun. That's it. That's all you need to do for Sora 2 Pro. You can give it better prompts than that, but this Sora 2 Pro is quite intelligent and it will create an advert just from a short prompt like that.
Escape to the warmth, unwind with friends, savor every moment, and watch the sun meet the sea. Your holiday in the sun starts here. Obviously, the better the prompt you put in, the better the results you can get, and more to your liking, more to your fitting. Today, we're just giving you an overview of NanoBanana Pro 2. So imagine this beach here. You want to add some people to this beach. Let's click on the picture and click Chat Editor. And I'm going to say, add some people having fun on this beach. So now we're going to create a close-up of a man drinking a tropical drink on one of these deck chairs here. So hopefully it should take us into a close shot of that happening now. So you can see these images being generated here. We have our video being generated and we have our images being generated here. So here's our first image with the people having some fun on the beach. And you can see this is the updated image and this is the image with no people. And then this is our close-up of the man on those same deck chairs on that same beach close-up. That is actually a great image, as you can see. So let's create this as a quick video as well.
This is the life. Thanks, NanoBanana Pro.
So NanoBanana Pro 2 has some incredible features, being able to use multiple images. And I've created some images here just using NanoBanana and the chat edit feature, starting with one image and asking for all of these different wide angles, high angles, different kind of shots, and then loaded them in to this one prompt here. And I'm just going to ask it to create a storyboard for an action sequence. And there you have it, a sketched version of the action sequence here. Smooth sailing, enjoying the calm sunset cruise, storm brewing, sudden change in weather, battening down, fighting the squall, securing the rig, and through the squall, safely navigating the rough patch. Yeah, I love that. So let's bring this to life as a story. Okay, so there's something definitely there with bringing the storyboard to life. I think that's very interesting. Not quite, obviously, exactly what I want yet, but getting there, getting there. Next, I've got this Air Creator Tools cap here and a picture of myself. And I say, create a picture with this man wearing this cap with Alex Mosey and Mr. Beast wearing the cap too, either side of him. Let's see what it will do with that. Ah, nice. Not Alex Mosey. It obviously doesn't know who Alex Mosey is. Let's do something weird with my hand as well. So we'll click on that and see what we can get. A new version. Oh, there we are. Look at that. In the studio as well. In the studio. Wow, NanoBanana Pro 2. Absolutely incredible. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you found it informative and interesting. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tutorials for using the platform Dzine, and let me know in the comments below what kind of videos and images you're going to make using the new NanoBanana Pro tool. Until next time, enjoy the next video.